Ever wondered if you could make a quick $100 as a student within a week? Well, I took up that challenge. Now you might ask, why such a challenge? Here's the thing, as students, we're often told to focus solely on our studies, but learning how to make money is a crucial life skill. It teaches us the value of hard work, responsibility, and financial management. But let's be real, as students, we face a host of limitations. Between juggling assignments, lectures, and sometimes part-time jobs, finding time to earn extra money can seem like a Herculean task. Not to mention, we often lack the professional skills that higher-paying jobs require. So, armed with nothing more than a student's schedule and a burning desire to prove that earning $100 in a week was possible, I embarked on this journey. So, with just a week, a student's schedule, and a $100 goal, the challenge began. Now let's dive into the strategies I used during this challenge week. First up, online tutoring. With the knowledge I had in certain subjects, I offered my services on various online platforms. The pros? It was flexible, I could set my own rates, and it was rewarding to help others learn. The cons? It took some time to find clients, and it required a consistent time commitment. Over the week, online tutoring brought in about $20. Next, freelance writing. I found gigs on websites and started writing articles on topics I was passionate about. The good part was that it tapped into my creativity, and I could work from anywhere. The downside? Deadlines. They could be tight, and sometimes the work was a bit monotonous. With freelance writing, I managed to earn around $30. Then I decided to declutter and sell unused items. I sold some old books, a few video games, and even an old skateboard on an online marketplace. This method was surprisingly effective, and it also helped me clean up my space. The catch? It took some time to list the items and deal with buyers. But it was worth it, as I made around $25 from selling my stuff. Lastly, I tried my hand at paid surveys. These were quick and easy, and I could do them in my spare time. The pros? No skills needed, and I could do them while watching TV. The cons? The pay was low, and sometimes the surveys were a bit boring. From paid surveys, I earned about $15. So in total, I made around $90 from these strategies. Not quite 100, but close. But among these strategies, one stood out as the most lucrative. Can you guess which one? Ready to discover the winning strategy of the $100 student challenge? Drum roll, please. The most successful method was freelancing. Yes, you heard it right, freelancing. Offering skills or services online, from graphic design to tutoring, even dog walking. Now, why was freelancing the most successful? Simple. It's flexible, allowing you to work on your own terms and schedule. It's also scalable. The more you work, the more you earn. And the beauty of freelancing is that it's wide-ranging. There's something for everyone, regardless of your skills or interests. During the challenge week, freelancing generated just over $75. This was a significant contribution towards the $100 goal. Not to mention, it provided invaluable experience and new skill sets. Freelancing, folks, is not just about making money. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone, developing new skills, and gaining real-world experience. Now that was a game changer, wasn't it? But what was the overall experience like? So, after a week of hustling, what did I learn, and how much did I earn? Well, the journey was enlightening, to say the least. The first lesson that stood out was the power of time management. Juggling between academic commitments and this challenge was no walk in the park. I learned that every minute counts, and it's about making the most of the 24 hours we all have. The second takeaway was about the value of hard work. There's a certain satisfaction that comes from earning your own money, even if it's just $100. It's more than just the cash. It's about the self-reliance, the confidence, and the sense of accomplishment. And now, drum roll please. The total earnings from this one-week challenge was a whopping $125. Overcame the target, and how? And that, my friends, is how the $100 student challenge turned out. Now, are you ready to take it on?